How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do an easy way to crack your knuckles for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So cracking your knuckles, they do help with relieving pressure in the hands, the fingers. I used to crack my knuckles for when I was playing video games for like 10 plus hours a day. My hands would get super sore, so cracking the knuckles felt really good. I did train to increase my typing speed. Before I started, I was typing maybe 90, 95 words per minute, which is really, really fast. I actually did lots of finger training exercises, hand training exercises, just to help me type quicker. And I got my typing up to about 130, 135 words per minute. So it definitely helps. So what you want to do, and again, when cracking your knuckles, the point is to relieve tension in the hands. Some people will naturally have like loud cracking when you do it. Some people will not. So the first thing that you can do, and this one's pretty easy, is to get your palm and then you want to push right above the second knuckle. So first knuckle, second knuckle, you want to put the palm right here. You don't want to put it down here. You want to put it right here. So you guys can see right there. And then all we're going to do, just listen. You might hear a crack, you might not. Right here, and we're going to push down just like this. And again, there's a little crack. We're going to do it again. And again, a little crack. 3, 4. You want to do it about 5 times. And again, sometimes you will hear a super loud crack. Sometimes you won't. I know people that can do this, that every single time they do it, it's a loud crack. But that's not for most people. Most people, you might not even hear a sound. That doesn't mean you're not cracking your knuckles. You're still relieving tension. So do the next hand. Again, same place, put it right here, and then just give a little 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, quick little break. And again, you can make a little bit of a workout into this if you want. The next thing that you guys can do is interlock your fingers, and we're actually gonna press down. When you press down, you are actually cracking the knuckles right in actually the top area right here. So before it was more down here, when we're doing this and pressing down, we're actually getting this top part right here. I find this exercise works really nicely too. And again, I just heard a really, really loud crack as I was talking. So you can crack your knuckles like this too, you guys. But again, the point isn't to hear a loud sound. I know everyone wants to crack their knuckles. They want to hear that super, super loud sound. When I cracked my knuckles, it was to relieve tension, and so my hands wouldn't hurt as much. So again, we're just gonna go like this. Very, very simple, and it works tremendously, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.